Legislative elections are currently being held in Russia from 17 to 19 September 2021. At stake are 450 seats in the State Duma of the 8th convocation, the lower house of the Federal Assembly. Going into the elections, United Russia is the ruling party after winning the 2016 elections with 54.2% of the vote, taking 343 seats. In March 2020, it was proposed to hold a snap election in September 2020 due to proposed constitutional reforms, but this idea was abandoned. On 18 June 2021, President Vladimir Putin signed a decree calling the election for 19 September. Owing to the pandemic, according to the decision of the Central Election Commission, voting in the elections will last for 3 days, from 17 to 19 September. 15 political parties submitted documents for participation in the election. 14 were guaranteed automatic access to the election ballot, and 1 unsuccessfully attempted to be included in the ballot by collecting voters' signatures. Half, or 225 seats of the State Duma are elected through legislative constituencies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.